This time we're going to be talking about NextCloud. With all the hacking that's been going on and people's usernames and passwords and credentials being compromised, I figured I'd do a quick video on NextCloud. NextCloud is a suite of client-server software for creating and using file hosting services. NextCloud provides functionality similar to Dropbox, Office 365, or Google Drive. I used it. I'm currently not using it, but I'm going to be setting it up on my server again because we need to get our stuff off of. My wife needs to get her stuff off of our accounts and stuff. So, anywho, you can do any kind of file, music even. Pictures, store it like you would in your Google Cloud services, OneDrive services, and stuff like that. So, I'm going to assume you already have a running system. There's a couple of ways you can do this. You can go through the snap packages and install it through that from the desktop, but I'm going to remote SSH. Well, I'm going to do it remotely through SSH to my server. So, what you first want to do is I'm just going to cut, copy, and paste this stuff because my mic picks up my keyboard. Paste that in there. You want to type in sudo snap install NextCloud, and you have to have snaps installed to do this. So, like I said, I'm going to assume you already have a Linux system set up, ready to go. And hit enter, type in your password. And I'm going to go ahead and pause this. Oh wait, it's actually going pretty fast. I'll go and let this run for a moment. I usually don't let this. Okay, it's mounting the core and setting up the snap. Downloading the snap NextCloud. Alrighty, yeah, I'm going to go ahead and pause this. This is going to take a minute. Okay, and we're back. Next, you want to make sure that it's running properly. Installed running properly, actually. I can get my words out correctly. Okay, done. Yep. I will be leaving a link on how to do this in the description down below, so you can follow along or do it by yourself. Okay, that looks good. Now I'm skipping through getting there's a section here on getting additional information about the NextCloud Snap. It's not really necessary unless you're needing to debug something. Alright, now the next thing you need to do is set up your password, and you want to type in sudo nextcloud.manual-install, and you want to type in your username that you want to use on the server and your password. And I'm going to go ahead and pause the rest of for the next part. I don't want anybody to see my password there. Oops. Okay, so we're back, and again, you want to type in sudo nextcloud.manual-install. The example off the website is Sammy, password, your username, whatever you want to set up, and the password that you want to set up. And when it's done, you get the output, and it'll say NextCloud was successfully installed. Alrighty, next we need to adjust the domains so you can connect to it properly. And you want to type in sudo nextcloud.occ config system get trusted domains, and it's going to say localhost. So you want to adjust that. If you're running this out on the internet, you'd want to put your website URL right here. But I want to make sure that I have connections on my local network, so I'm going to type in the IP address the static IP address of the server. So we can go back, type that in. Alright, now we got localhost for loopback and your connections for your networks, for your network. Okay. Now we need to secure it. Now there's two ways you can do this. Now you can go to it flipped out on me. Went to a yeah, okay, that was weird. Okay, you can go to this URL, https://let'sencrypt.org/repository, and set up your own security certificate. But we're not going to do that here. We're going to do a self-signed certificate. And your web browser is going to, and your web browser is going to complain about this, but it'll work. It'll work just fine for you. Okay. Now this would be option 2 on the setting up the SSL certificate for the server. If this is for just your local network, this will work just fine. You want to type in sudo nextcloud.enable https self-signed. Alright, now you want to add a firewall rule. Sudo UFW allow port 80, 443/TCP. I'll have to do that for all my other stuff too later. But I'm not going to do that right now. I'm going to skip that. I got to do it all at once. I haven't set up the full firewall rules on my server yet. I'm kind of lazy. Okay, next what you want to do is open up your web browser. Oops, come on back here. And go to the IP address that you have on your local server there. And like I said, it's going to complain. You just click on Advanced. If you're on Firefox, I forget how it is on Google Chrome, but you want to just go ahead and accept the risk and continue, because it's your server, you set it up. Now you want to type in your username that you set up in the terminal and put in your password. And there we go. Now you're set up to transfer files over. And I'm going to show you what you can do with this here in a second. Now let's close this out. Scroll down to here. Where is it? Oh, it didn't show up this time. Okay. Personal settings. Okay. Yeah, we don't want to put any of that just yet. Appearance and accessibility. We're going to go with the dark thing. And the background. Alright, let's close this. Let's go back to the main page here. That's still not showing up. I really wanted to show you that. Okay, let's go to the dashboard here. Let's go to administrator settings here. Security. Okay, it's going to tell you. Yeah. You can fix that later. Your password, add web auth services. That's if you want to. Mobile and desktop. Go here, you can download your apps for your phones, your iPads, and your pads. Okay, where are the registration, privilege, activity, flow, logging system? I overshot it. I had to have. All right, I'm going to unpause this until I find out what I want to look at, because I forgot where it was at. It's been so long. Okay, I found it. You want to click on your logo up here, go down to apps, and this is the added functionality. Now you can set this up for file servers, voice chat, regular chat, all kinds of stuff. So let's go to multimedia. Big blue button integration, CAD viewer, camera raw previews, DICOM viewer, ebook reader. It's already installed. Face recognition. Yeah. GPod sync. GPod X. GPX pod. GPX edit. Let's enable the maps. Fast, modern, and advanced photo management. As soon as that's done, we'll go and put the memories in there. We're going to pause that while that's thinking about it. Oh, never mind. It's done. Okay, let's get the music player press and text. While that's doing that, we're going to, where's the groups at? Now let's jump to social and communication. You can do polls, rain loop, rocket chat, securely share data via links, send it allows you to securely exchange files and emails, simple poll, snap email, social. NextCloud becomes part of the federated social networks for Mastodon, I believe, and social logon. Yeah, there is a lot to be done here. Okay, we're going to go to app bundles. Yeah, let's skip that one. Let's go to the dashboard. Twitter integration. Welcome content. These is just some of the few that I'm going to be discourse. Some of the some of the few things that I'm going to be using on my NextCloud installation. We got games. Keep or sweep. Okay. Nope. With multimedia again. But yeah. Okay. Go over here. Go to appearance and accessibility. Go down, scroll down because I forgot to. No, wasn't sharing notifications. Okay, mobile and desktop. Okay. Go and pause this while I figure out where it's at again. They've updated it. It looks way better and it's way more responsive. Okay, it's right down here at the bottom. It's been so long. Okay, customize. We want weather. We want the Twitter notifications. Timeline. That. Recommended file. And we can get more widgets later. So, go and close this out. Oh. There we go. I wish there was that PDF. It's not on there. But that is how to install NextCloud. And I'm going to show you how to upload a file here. Alright, let's open up my file folder. And go to documents. Upload a file. We'll go home. I don't have everything in my documents, do I? Oops. Downloads. we'll do the DaVinci Code.mobi. It's a book I'm reading. And it's already done. And you can re-download it. And then open her up. Just like that. Now you can do that with music. Hit the back button. You can add files, which would be up over here. Oh, no. Where is it? Can't remember where it's at. File settings. But yeah, that pretty much. You got photos, which we don't have any of just yet. Oh wait, yes we do. It's pre-built in here. Now, if we wanted to add a picture, we can create an album. Let's go with photos. Photos. Yes. Create album. Let's go back up. I do know you can drag and drop onto here too, so we will grab this picture and boom. It bumped me out of it. Why did it do that? Oh wait. Okay. Okay, now we can add a photo. I just keep forgetting where everything's at. Downloads. And there you go. Just like that. And that's NextCloud. I don't do it justice. This thing is awesome. I wish I was better at speaking and enunciating myself, because this is one of the best servers you can get for your house, and it's got enterprise enterprise level applications for it too. You can set up your own office network. Like I said, it's got VoIP capabilities, chat capabilities like you would over at Facebook, Mastodon, all those places, Twitter even. Alrighty, well, that's going to be it for this one. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope it was informational. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Also, if there's anything that you want to see, go ahead and leave a comment down below. I'm going to be starting up a new channel. It has nothing to do with Linux. It's another interest / hobby of mine. It's been a lifelong passion. Let's put it that way. And when I get it set up, I'm going to be using that channel. And I'm also going to be promoting Linux on that channel as I'm doing videos over there. So I'll be splitting my time between the two channels. I'm probably going to be doing about 1 to 2 videos a week on this channel and 1 to 2 videos a week on that channel. So when I'm ready, I'll make a video about it, and if you guys are interested in that kind of channel, go ahead and subscribe. Thanks for watching. I am out.